This stylus set will become part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. For this set, I'll be using this blue from LA Colors Color Last, pink from LA Colors Color Craze, and my DIY jelly polish I just made in the last video. A touch of chrome polish to go with this gorgeous metallic nail foil. I'll use XKJ Star Glue for it, and I'll top everything off with Wet n Wild top coat. I've also set aside the embellishments that I'm considering for this set. Hey NailTubers, and to anyone new to the channel today or visiting, welcome. Come on in, get with this NailTube family, and just enjoy yourself. Today is a real special day, and I'm so glad you're here because today is a 2-for-1 day. I did a video earlier where I did a DIY jelly polish, and I'll be using it for this set. So I'm pretty excited about this. Now I always start out by explaining the pattern. As you can see, I've already gotten started, and 2 of the nails are going to be that blue. One will be a jelly with partial foil, one will be the solid pink, and the other one's going to be a solid foil. I love the way this set turned out and how the colors really coordinated together. So for any of you that's visiting today or new to the channel, Bougie Nails on a Budget series came about when I was in nail school. When I could only purchase what I could afford, I was doing a lot of dollar store shopping, which actually I still do. And I ain't ashamed, okay? So it's all about doing things on a dime with things that are affordable or things that you may already have, and it's just all about the fun of coming up with different designs. Now mind you, a lot of these designs can be done with gel polish as well. It can be substituted. So if you like something, you can even try it with gel. So let me suggest to you to check out my Bougie Nails on a Budget playlist. I have a number of videos there, and I'm almost sure that you will definitely find something that you like. There'll be a link in my description box as well as at the end of this video for you. Here I'm putting down the star glue to adhere the nail foil. You simply wait until it reaches a clear consistency before placing the foil. Overall, I think I do pretty well with the nail foils. But keep in mind, they're not all constructed with the same type of finish or even the same type of paint that it's made of. So it's not always going to be 100%. Here, one came out unexpectedly not so great, but I salvaged it and I still love the way this set came out. You'll just have to keep watching to see. This one actually came out good. I just wanted a little more pink in there so it could be, like I always say, matchy matchy. So it didn't pick up as much of the pink as I wanted, but I'm going to be satisfied with this because if you go in too much, you can actually pull up what you've already placed. And actually here, these are the polishes that I use to do my DIY gel polish. That pink color with clear is what I formed the jelly polish with. You may want to check out that video. I'll have a link for that in my description box as well. So this half of this nail will get foil. So here's where the foil didn't turn out all the way, but I'm still gonna work with this. I'm gonna do something, and I don't want to make it too obvious. I'm gonna use this chrome polish just to create a small blend of color as if it's chrome on there like the other nail. And that's pretty much it. Nothing big, and it's still gonna look nice. And actually, it wouldn't have been bad to leave it just as is, because then it would have looked like, you know how people do the dab, dab, dab thing with the foil? This adorable clear acrylic heart is a pressing tool. You use it for your metal nail embellishments. You lay them in there and you press them so that it forms to a curvature that matches your nail so that they lay flush to the surface. I'm going in very generously with a clear top coat so that this set is nice and glossy. I know, I'm usually doing the matte thing or a small portion of, but yeah, this one, it's got to have that gloss. I could do nail sets all day, every day. Okay? What about you? Could you just sit and do nails like forever and forever? And if so, what kind of nails do you enjoy doing the most? Bougie Nails on a Budget series has become kind of like my baby right now. Although I like doing all sorts of other stuff, I'm still doing acrylics. I need some more poly gels so I can get more into that. But what do you guys like doing? I could sit here all day and all night. To be perfectly honest with you, I have. A few times. As a matter of fact, there's the one, I think some type of a haul video. Oh, I think it was my first dual forms video where I'm in the beginning talking like so low because I was at this. I didn't think I was tired, but my body started reminding me like, hey. And then when I did the I Snap series, I did 5 out of 6 of those in one sitting. So yes, I'm enjoying this. It's a lot of work, but I am fascinated. And I hope you are too. This is the most awesome platform for many of us to share our journey in doing nails and expressing ourselves through our creativity. These little sticky embellishments turns out to be pretty convenient, and they're very sticky too. They're pretty good. It just didn't lay flush to the edge of the nail because my judgment of space was a little off, but that's okay. Here, all I would have to do if I needed to is just file it down lightly with a hand file at the edge so that it'll become a little more flush to the edge. I like how these turned out. I love this color combination. Oh wow, so beautiful. I am so glad that you came today, and anyone new, welcome. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I still got so much more, y'all. You need to stick around. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. See you in the next video.